Good day, everyone. Another day of opportunity for everybody who are looking for solutions to the challenges that they face in these times of pandemic. I'm here right now at the school. Yeah, I'll show you the students. I don't know if they are seniors or I have no idea. Yeah, this is happening every day, Monday to Friday. They are here to gathering around, having a chat to each other. I don't know if there are the agriculture students. Yeah, the last video we're talking about is it worth it to start an online business? Uh, I'm trying here to discuss and dissect what are the possible questions. I've been there before. I'm asking myself, or I'm asking the opportunity if it is really worth it. It is really legit. So I'm trying to share my thoughts about this opportunity and the possible questions that I had before. So the last video, I'll put the link of the videos that I'm trying to discuss. What are the ways to have an extra source of income? Uh, what is the best, and is it cheap to start an online business? Is it worth it to have an extra income? Now, let us expound a little bit about the benefits. I tried it discussing yesterday, the last video. Yeah, if you will explore this opportunity, you will see in our private business community why um, thousands of people around the world opted and or preferred over their jobs uh, and choose this opportunity uh, to sustain their living. Um, and there are others too that continues to work, and it's up to you to decide. You can do this along with your primary job, or after months or years, uh, you if you can see that your business grow tremendously, and then it's up to you to decide if you will uh, quit your job. And that's what other business owners did in this business. mm, for me, my our children is already in one is in college, first year college, and one is a senior. She will be graduating this year. And you can see some business owners why they opted to have this business opportunity. It's because they wanted their full attention to their children. they can take care of their family, and at the same time earn a living through this business. They wanted to take back their quality time. They wanted to be their own boss. So those are the few uh, benefits aside from the wellness that it could provide. uh, and uh, what else, the financial opportunity that you could get from this business is the potential is great. um, as I said earlier, if you try to go further and take action, you can see all walks of life in our business community, our private group. Why people, thousands of people around the world, uh, engage in this business. So one fear, aside of um people will say that I have no time for that, I have no money, that is I don't want to take a risk, and because it is fraud probably. Yeah, it's normal. uh, but if you live in fear, really, I'll tell you, nothing will change. If you want to change for a long time and you're looking for solutions for a long time, and you're still afraid, you're scared to do something, uh, um, I'll tell you, you will uh, live the same life that you have today, yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Yeah. If addressing the concern, your concern is that you have no time, you can do this uh, business during your free time. uh, I know I know some business partners in this community that are nurses, doctors, who are working full time, and but still they manage to run this business smoothly. No problem at all, because you can use just only your cell phone. If you're a stay-home mom, you can use your cell phone too, your laptop. You have laptops, your iPads. Yeah. And if you are into social media, yeah, you can use that time uh, having this business. Nothing will change. You can still do your thing in social media, and that's it. And you're running already your business. That is the beauty of attraction marketing. And maybe your next concern is I have no money. If you will say always like that, as I said, nothing will change. Lot of people in this business, their concern is before is the same, but they look for ways to 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 address that problem, and there they are now business owners. Anyway, there as discussed on the previous video, there are options, a lot of options. the company offers financing just for you to start and a business with a little amount for you monthly to pay, but your revenue will not be affected because it's a separate thing. You're gonna pay your loan or differently. What else? No, it is. I don't want to risk my income. Yes, it's normal. Yeah, maybe you will say, that is a fraud. You know, I tell you, this is not a fraud. We pay taxes. We registered the other business owners registered already their businesses, and we are paying taxes. And today I would like to discuss about what is the difference between MLM and direct selling. So guys, we are on the direct selling, but maybe you will be confused because I said before in my previous videos that we don't sell, and I said before that our system take care all that activities in the business. So guys, our system will take care of that, the selling, the inventory, the shipping, and you have nothing to do. Just promote, just do the attraction marketing strategy, and that's it. MLM is they say that all direct selling is multi-level marketing, but not all direct selling is on MLM. I will tell you that. In 2020, I'm not sure if it's a consumer report. The number one MLM company is Amway, but I'll expound what how they earn revenue through MLM. Maybe you on the top, and you will recruit two people left and right, and if you recruit people, you gonna earn commissions from left and the right. And if you recruit A and recruit B, recruit other people, they will earn revenue or commission also. But my problem is that the top guy will earn so much money from the downline efforts, because there's like they say in their structure, pairing. If left and right there's a pairing, the top guy will, or the upline will get money out of those pairing below, or from his downlines. That's my concern about MLM. But direct selling, our commission structure is different. It is patented. There's a possibility that the person below you will like surpass your rank, even your years in this business, and versus a person who just joined your team. There's a possibility and there's a potential that he or she will surpass your rank. And we're using the 8 commission program structure, commission structure. And there will be a time that the top guy will no longer receive the commission. It's because our business model pays first the the people below the top guy before he can get something from the sales of the lower people in the structure, in the team. So that's the beauty of this business. The MLM is you help enriching the top guy. It's not for me. It's not a fair business, but in this business, that's why I like this one. I trusted the program. It's because we have a fair playing game in this business. Even the newcomer can surpass the person above him, and the other person above, and the top guy. So there's the that's the big difference of this business from other businesses. So as I said, our system will take care all those activities or that you will do in running a business, the selling, the shipping, and no inventory at all. So I hope you understand, or it's clear to you now how this business works. And if you are curious and wanted to learn more, just register your name and email. I'll put the link below on the description page of this video at www.jojorobledo.com. As I said, you can register your name and email, and we will send you the special personalized link to access our free webinar. So, and we have a free workshop every week, twice a week actually, and you are very much welcome to watch it again and again until you will decide to continue and pursue your dreams through, and or this business could help you achieve that dreams. So thank you very much. Have a good day, and God bless us all.